If you're looking for an affordable tablet for watching content, studying, browsing the internet, or even playing some games from time to time, you've probably come across two models that look very similar on paper, the Blackview Zeno 5 and the Blackview Zeno 10. And honestly, when you first look at the specs, the differences may not seem that big. But here's the interesting part. In real-world use, there are some important changes that can make one much more worth buying than the other, depending on how you... Because even though both target the budget market, one of them is clearly better prepared to deliver a smoother experience over the long term. sum it up quickly. If you want a budget tablet with a more modern feel, smoother overall performance, and something that's likely to age better over the next couple of years, the Blackview Zeno 10 is clearly the one I would use. Now, if you find the Zeno 5 at a really aggressive price and you just want a cheap tablet for watching videos, browsing, and basic everyday tasks, then it can still make sense. But looking at the overall experience, the gap between these two tablets is actually bigger than it may seem from the specs alone.